Hello, my people. Welcome to this channel. And I trust we are all doing good. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you're listening to this broadcast, please do so you wouldn't miss out on important news update from us. Okay, so as usual, I'm here with the current and juicy news, and it's talking about what an elder statesman Adebanjo has said concerning our president Tinubu. He recognized Tinubu's efforts towards ensuring that Nigeria becomes a great nation. He traced it down to the period of Abacha, when he said that Tinubu was fighting for the interest of Nigeria back then during Abacha's regime. And there is a saying that says experience is the best teacher. Since all these people has been in governance right from the 1990s, then why is it that we are still in the same position as we are today? Why is there no positive development whatsoever? What is going on, considering the fact that it's the same set of people that are still holding on to power? Imagine, since Abacha's period and now he's our president. What are those things that he has gained that he feels like he's going to implement it to ensure our development? Okay, so that's just what the news is about, and let me read the news in details. It says President Tinubu has been urged to implement the values that veteran statesman Pa Ayo Adebanjo fought for during the fight against military tyranny. Adebanjo recalled Tinubu's commitment to combating military dictatorship and his active involvement in resisting General Sani Abacha, the then military head of state, in a video that Arise TV uploaded to YouTube. Honestly, Nigeria has been through a lot. Nigeria has been facing serious issues right from the very period when we gained our independence. We've not had peace of mind. Nigeria has been from one problem to the other, from military dictatorship to inflation to corruption to insecurity and what have you. And I'm just wondering, when will all this end? Nigeria is 64 years old already. When are all these going to come to an end? Okay, so reading further, he emphasized Tinubu's crucial involvement in the struggle for democracy, which was a major factor in his elevation to the position of Lagos governor. Adebanjo begged Tinubu, who is currently president, to move quickly to implement the constitutional changes he has long supported. But come to think of it, ever since this period, all these people, they've been in the political scene, and yet we hear things like the younger generations are the leaders of tomorrow. They are the leaders of tomorrow. When? And I'm just wondering when that statement is going to come to pass. When all these people are going to leave the political scene and allow the younger generations to come up and take over. Okay, so he emphasized Tinubu's crucial involvement in the struggle for democracy, which was a major factor in his elevation to the position of Lagos governor. Okay. So according to Pa Adebanjo, he said, and I quote, "He can't deny, I said it publicly, he was in the trenches with us, fighting Abacha and the military. He took part in that. It was on that basis that he became governor. That is what I'm saying. Now that he's in a position to implement what he was fighting for, he should not waste time to do it." Yeah, hopefully, that is our hope. Shouldn't waste time, because everything is just getting out of hand. We've heard a lot of things. People have come out to state their own opinions, to say things, to suggest, to advise, but it's high time we stopped talking and we do the needful. It's time for us to rise up and act and do the right thing, because it just doesn't end in talking. Just as the saying goes, action speaks louder than words. Okay, so now let's take comments. Charles Umoye said, purest truth, when Ntako was formed, he later went on exile, so I believe that he knew the problem of Nigeria very well. If he failed to rectify it, it will be a cause to him not to do the right thing. I suggest 1963 constitution or separate ways. Okay, so this one is still stating what Tinubu has done right from the very onset. He was part of Ntako and how he fought to see to the development of Nigeria. Okay, so Prince Adeoye Kola said, Daddy, please forget about the restructuring now. Advise state governors to work hard for the betterment of their states. See what Governor Seyi Makinde, Governor Oti, Governor Sanwo-Olu, and other laudable state governors are doing in their states. Yes, all hands needs to be on the deck to see to the betterment of our state. Not just the state governors, but down to the local governments, council, and even down to us, because we have a role to play, because whatever actions we take, it's going to affect us. Okay, so now let's hear what Buzuzu have to say. Tinubu never denied being in Ntako and what it stands for. In fact, that's a plus in his political CV. Okay, Arthur Boyo said, telling stories about Tinubu and you being in trenches in Abacha's era now, instead of asking him to implement the plans you people had for Nigeria. Or is it turn by turn of Emiloko without plans? Who owns Nigeria? Is it the president or the federal government? Is it the political class or the citizens? Who should determine its future? The owners or its servants? Tinubu and Adebanjo restructure Nigeria now. So that is exactly what I said. It's not just all about talking. I feel like we've done much of the talking and it's time for us to take action. Because talking, words without action doesn't do anything. It's like what the Bible says, faith without work is dead. So that's just how it is. So let's take more comments. Okay, so Ehigiato Momo said the old man is making sense. Okay, so that's just it for on this matter, and I hope you liked the broadcast. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do, so you miss out on important news updates from us. Thank you and bye for now.